Okay, so it's currently Thursday, February 9th. Today 9th? I think so. I don't know. And I wasn't going to vlog because I woke up feeling really blah, blah, blah. Then I got this TikTok, but this TikTok showed up on my For You page of this woman reading me for filth, talking about how I just let my feelings control me. And I was like, you know what, you're right, let me vlog. So today so far, I've worked for the organization that I work with. I've edited a gallery. Took me 2 hours to edit, but the photos came out amazing. They're beautiful to me. And now I just cleaned up my kitchen a little bit, about to run to the nail salon because they take their last client at 6 and it's like 5:20 right now. So we're about to run over there. And then after that, we're going to come home and clean up. We just need to clean and probably put some flexi rods in our hair. All right, let's go. Made it back home. Lighting is a little funky, but I was gonna do laundry, but then I remembered that I need to stop using the laundry detergent that I use because it's like banned in New York and like some other states and countries. So I obviously need to stop using that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to Target in the morning because I'm here with no car right now and I don't want to walk to the other Target. So I'm gonna go to Target in the morning and get some stuff. Also, my work is doing like Galentine's Secret Sweetie, which is really cute. So I need to go get my Secret Sweetie's gift in the morning. And yeah, so I'm home chilling for the rest of the night. About to eat some chili I made last night. And oh, I have therapy at 7 o'clock. So in 15 minutes, I'm logging on to therapy. Guys, I've been in therapy for about 5 weeks. This will be my 5th session. Hold on, let me listen. Been in therapy, guys, this is my 5th session. So today will be my 5th session. Been in therapy. It's been working. Been finding out a lot about myself, my family, and just how different things show up in my adult life. So shout out to my therapist because she's really good and she's been getting me together. I journaled about her this morning, actually, because staying with her for over 4 sessions is amazing. So going into this 5th one, a little bit of anticipation, but I'm really excited. So yeah, logging in to therapy at 7. I may let you know how it goes because if you watch my first session video, you know I was like, I'm done. But I'll let you know how it goes. I'm going to check back in afterwards. So I just finished the therapy session. And it was going great. But got a little thugged here. She's really good at what she does. That's all I'm going to say. All right, it's time for dinner. And I'm going to do one of the wind down things that she suggested. Good morning. So I'm saying good morning because it's Friday morning. And I'm going to Target. I just had to make a list. Excuse my car. I just had to make a list because Target tends to tell you what you need. But I told Target I'm going to tell her what I need. So yes, I'm about to head to Target. And if I have time, I'm going to go open up a new savings account because we have savings accounts, but they're just nowhere near us. So, and they're at credit unions. I need one that's near to me because I got. Thank you. forgot to tell y'all that I made it home. I just created my Valentine's Day gift and note. It's about the details. This is what the card says. I am stationary queen. I have cards for days, stationery for days, literally like cards, encouragement postcards, extra journals, tons of thank you cards. There's some birthday cards in here too, which I need to dig one out because I also shopped for a birthday gift at Target today. I just love to give gifts. It's just really fun, and people are like always, because people don't have to give you anything. So when people are like, "Oh my gosh, thank you, I appreciate this," it's just a cool feeling. So yeah, now I need to get ready. Sign up to do everything. So this is me setting up my candle station because I'll be teaching the candle class today. You say I'm always out of town, but I don't think that don't mean that we can't figure it out. Yeah. It just dawned on me that I literally have not vlogged since I got off work, but I haven't been doing anything. I worked on my contract a little bit on the couch. And I've just been watching TikToks. Right now I'm watching Love After Lockup on TikTok. That's my TikTok show. So, yeah, and I just popped some popcorn. That's my favorite snack. And I'm just about to finish the TikTok show and probably watch BMF or something. I don't know. I'm loving Ratchet TV right now. Hey, friend. It is fine. It's Saturday. And the last couple Saturdays, I just haven't been wanting to get out of the bed. I just haven't had the urgency or whatever. But this is it's after 12, so about 12:30, and this is my first time pulling out the camera because I just put on pants. Yeah, I'm on here in my bonnet. I don't care. I'm just cleaning up today, literally mopping the floor as we speak. And then I'm gonna do laundry, wash our bedding and all that, and just try to be as organized as possible because I feel like tomorrow I'm not gonna have a chance to like do a whole reset. So I'm trying to figure it out. Can't put some things, give your heart to me. Don't act like you ain't trying to be my baby. And you're a new man. Simply ain't a man like this. I hope you're afraid. Grateful to have laundry in my building, but one thing about having community or shared laundry is they be dirty. So this is like the cleanest one. If it's dirty, I reach in there and clean it out, but that is a cigarette butt. I'm not reaching in there and cleaning that out. Good thing I only need to use 4 washers today. There's 5. So I'm not buying another shower curtain until I move. So I'm just about to take this one off and wash it. Threw away the plastic thing. I've tried to clean it several times. It's just so nasty. Guess who was looking for her Apple Watch and just found it? Yep. So this dryer is broken. Doesn't close, so there's no way we can use that. So I have this one. This is on the second cycle of 45 minutes because that's what you need in these dryers. I have this one and this one. I put them both on 99 minutes. So 2 45-minute cycles plus 9 minutes. And we'll see. So this just has to wait until there's something ready. Finally leaving my hospital. Hello. So, my bad. Your girl has been to Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Target, and I didn't even take you, but that was my day. So, on top of laundry, cleaning, everything, I did all of that. So, your girl is tired. I'm extremely tired. So, I'm just about to pin curl my hair up and get ready for my 4:30 a.m. wake up. Yes. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.